Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, API services enabled and a server script ready. Open server script service and make a script, then require Datastore service using game get service. Datastore service. Once done, choose a clear Datastore name and get a Datastore handle with get Datastore, my store. Make sure you use server-side code only. Client access is blocked. This first step sets the secure context and avoids common permission errors later. Now implement reliable save load logic. You write load with pcall, Datastore, get a sync key and save with pcall, Datastore, set a sync key value. Because Datastores accept simple values, use game get service. HTTP service. JSON encode to store tables and JSON decode when loading. Use player. User ID as the key so saves are unique and persistent across sessions. Also implement retries and exponential backoff inside peak. Finish by wiring saves. Call your save routine on player removing and run periodic autosaves with a reliable loop. Once done, add logging for any pcall failures and handle specific error messages so you can back off when throttled. Make sure to test in Studio with API services enabled and simulate failures to confirm retries. If things go wrong, check error logs, verify API services, and confirm keys are strings. That single mismatch often breaks saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.